In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a call in Insightly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to capture call details so your history stays accurate and easy to find. First, head to Insightly and open the Contacts area. This is where you'll search for and select the person you spoke with. Click the contact's name to open their record. Keeping calls tied to the correct contact ensures your notes are always in context. Inside the contact record, switch to the Activity tab. Here you'll see two views: upcoming activities and past activity. Choose the one that matches your goal. If you're recording a call that already happened, work in past activity. If you're scheduling a follow-up call, use upcoming activities so it appears on your to-do list. Click Add Activity, then choose Add New Task. In Insightly, calls are tracked as tasks, so this is the right place to log them. Give the task a clear, specific name. For example, include the call purpose or topic so it's recognizable at a glance. Next, set assigned to 2. Pick yourself or the teammate who owns the follow-up, so accountability is clear. Choose a category and select the option that represents a call. This helps with reporting and filters later. Set a due date. For a past call, use the date the call occurred. For a planned call, use the date you intend to make it. Open the additional information section to capture timing and reminders. Add a start date and time to reflect when the call starts. Set a reminder date so you get a nudge before it's due. If this is a recurring check-in, configure repeats to save time on future scheduling. Update progress if the task is already underway or completed. Then choose a priority to flag urgency. Set the status to match reality, not started, in progress, or completed. If you're logging something that already happened, use related to link this task to the right records. It will already be tied to the contact, and you can connect it to other relevant items like an organization, opportunity, or project for full visibility. In the description area, add your call notes or agenda. Include outcomes, next steps, and any commitments you made. Concise, action-oriented notes are best. Review, permissions to control who can view or edit the task, keeping sensitive details visible only to the right people. When everything looks good, click Save. Your call is now logged and easy to reference, report on, and follow up.